Hey YouTube, this is my bike check for the 2012 Kink whip. I'll put my bike up. Alright. Right there, Kink whip. As you can see, the frame is it's got flat red. It's not really shiny, which I like. I think I like flat colors. Except for gold, that looks cool shiny. The rims normally from the brake pads, they would like fade right there. Go to chrome, like my friend, he has a black eye. His back rim's gold, and right here it's all chrome. There's some brake pads and everything, you know. I don't ride brakeless, but everything's sealed on the bike but the pedals. Here's the back rim, it's double walled, alienation black sheep. Pretty sweet. Gold hubs, Mission. And I'm gonna get a blue half link for this bike, just so it doesn't snap or nothing, but 25 tooth sprocket and Mission cranks, Mission pedals. I like plastic pedals just because, I don't know, I just seem to like them more. The front rim's single, so I don't like, but it's alienation. And gold hub in the front. I'm gonna get a double walled front, but I spray painted the handlebars blue. I did a really great job on that. And got Eastern grips in green. I'm gonna get red ones probably, shadow grips. I don't know which kind, but stolen bar ends, Vortex single. They're metal. And then just the stock brake lever, brake cable stock. Seats, not plastic. It's like squishy, so that's good. But oh yeah, the seat clamp it's an animal seat clamp in gold. It's kind of a different shade of gold, but I don't care. It's the seat clamp on my bike when I first got it snapped from tightening it too hard. But that's all. I got this bike from Dan's Comp, as you can see right there. But that's basically all. I'll have to post some videos of me biking soon, so alright, bye.